This but you are
$2. I love you, chat. I don't know how needs to hear this, but you are loved and appreciated. Keep doing what you're doing in life and you'll find happiness.
You too, man.
Duff Keen donated $2. Oh my gosh, my message didn't even play all.
Ah! It's moving!
Wait, what's moving?
Ah, it's moving!
What's moving?
Wait, guys, follow me!
Okay. Are you sure we should be following this thing?
What the fuck was that?
Oh, there's another one!
I don't know if this...
Why are we following the moving doll?
No fear. Okay. Oh, wait, you closed the door on us! Oh,
Poki?
Poki, you're in there by yourself, by the way. Good luck.
Oh my god!
Wait, what happened?
Wait, what? Poki.
Wait, who's with...
How
I'm going
did
to
you get
the...
eaten?
She just came up to me and like messed me up.
Wait, sorry, I don't know where it is actually.
What?
Wait, where
Okay. Yo, I'm right here. This is me. Help me, everyone.
Oh, we got it. It's here. So we gotta light this.
No.
This game looks so...
Put it.
Okay, I gotta burn.
Whoa.
Wait, they wanted you to die?
I think I'm on just like...
Wait, Star, where'd you go?
Literally right behind me.
Oh, wait, I think we're saved.
How are we
Wait, are you
saved?
saved? Oh my god! Someone saved! Wait, Star, where are you? Save them!
Wait, he's here. Save him. Alright, save him. Give her a doll.
Oh,
she
fuck,
turned
I
into-
got turned into a little... I don't even know if I want to find him. Is this outside? Is this the way to outside? Oh my god, run! That was so unnecessary. That was so unnecessary. Can I just jump in this? We're gonna try to scare her. No! Mimi freaked. Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
Oh my god, why never webcam open in the next friggin' window? We were
vlogging, huh? Content. Dude, Albert already scared me like
Wait, this was Albert's
by
idea.
accident. What up? Albert scared me by accident and you didn't do it on purpose.
What? She has OBS open. It can't scare her.
No, I won't lie. It wasn't because of OBS. It's because my headset wasn't fully on.
Why? And then they're like, oh, you're unbanned now. And she was like, I don't know. I'm just like, it's just.
I do feel bad for her. Oh my god, I hate stuff! I have a window literally right beside me. That's why that like freaks me out so much because I think someone is literally coming to kill me. Stop! Stop! Oh my god, I pressed X! Fuck! Why does this have so many? How?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes?
We have complaints about the noise level in this house.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah, so do you have a permit to be filming in this area?
Can we cut there? Okay, thank you. Guys, don't do overtime.
Okay.
That was not good, guys.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, part of me is really
Hey guys.
Holy shit.
I was like, please not a swatting.
Can we do it one more time?
Bro, I'm like shaking. I've been playing this for so long.
I was like, either this is a prank or I'm actually in trouble. Either way, just comply. Just comply. Oh my god.
That was good.
Good job. Good job. You, man, claps in the chat.
You have permit to film in your own house?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Improv 101.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks guys.
What a content boy. Holy shit.
Alright, that was my, yeah. That's what... Are you okay?
To pay for my medical bill.
Oh, that's funny. She had a heart attack.
Yeah, dude. I wish you had the heart thing on. Fuck. That's why I was like, are you gonna play a horror game today? I'm shaking. Fuck.
Oh my god, I'm dead ass. I'm shook. I'm shook, shaking, shook. I'm shooketh. Like my legs are shaking. I thought they were strippers. What the fuck? I wish my camera angle got more of it. Imagine just like two tall ass cop dudes walk in your room. I was dead ass like, oh no, please not a swatting. I've seen this too. Okay, I need to fix the text to speech. Hold on.